Here in 2.4, you're going to be dealing with complex numbers, and basically complex number is just the imaginary unit I that we're going to use to write complex numbers. If you remember, I is equal to the square root of -1, and I squared equals -1. So if you square both sides, then what that does is that gives you an I squared on the left, square the left side, the square and the square root just cancel. Alright, anytime you write a complex number in standard form is a plus bi. And a is your real part, b is your imaginary part. So that's just whatever's in front of your I. So if we look at example 1, I'll do a couple of these. If you have an, for example, a, 7 plus 3i plus 5 minus 4i. Well, you just group together your real parts. You have a 7 plus 5, and then you group together your imaginary parts, which is 3i minus 4i. Then you end up getting the answer, well, just 7 plus 5 is 12, plus, actually not a plus, because 3i minus 4i is a negative 1i, so you would just have 12 minus I. And that would end up being your solution. So the adding part's not too bad. The only thing you have to be careful of really here is for part B, when you have to do subtraction, you have to make sure you change your signs. So that's going to become a negative 5 and a plus 2i. So when you group together, that's going to be a 3 minus 5. And then you're also going to have a 4i plus 2i, which in the end gives you a negative 2 plus 6i. So see if you can find the answers for C and D, and just let me know your answers.